Back Carnivore diet meal prep. So this right here is like 1, 2, 3 trays with like about 9 steaks, right? That's probably like what I eat a day per day. You know, I eat a good like 5 steaks and one meal, and then another 5 steaks on another meal. So about 10 steaks like that in 2 meals, 5 in each meal. And then over here I got more season over here. So this right here go in there and I save it on the fridge. So when I'm done with this, I just open that up and pop on the air fryer, right? This is here's another bag. So today I got about good like 40 pounds of brisket. This is brisket. So what I'll do now, I'll grab these things right here and I'll drop on the air fryer, right? And this right here would take like about, I say, tops 15 to 18 minutes, like tops 20 minutes, and it will be completely done. So just let it ride right there, and it's gonna cook and it's gonna be done. So this one right here, all I do, I give a little bit of sea salt, throw it like this. That's the only thing I use for season. So sea salt, and then just placing here is the safe container. A little bit more sea salt, right? And here we have our prep for cooking. Then we're gonna have prep to eat, right? So we have the meal done there, prep to eat, and here we have the meal ready, prep to cook. So now you just cover it up, throw in your fridge, and when that is done, I'm gonna have one of those plates, and then I'm gonna have the other plate saved, cut it. I'm gonna cut everything. I also got this nice knife, very good. I got it from Restaurant Depot, $10, and it's awesome. You know, so you can cut your meat very easily. And guys, what kind of effort that takes? Like so simple, so fast. Like I just went and grabbed this 2 bags, right? With about 40 pounds of steak, right? Then I just put it in here, as you guys saw me doing like 2 minutes. I just open up the bag, put it in here. I put something in the tray because I'm about to throw in the air fryer to cook, and then everything goes in here on the container, right? And I throw on my fridge. I have this is ready on my fridge. It's seasoned. It lasts for like more than 2 days. I like to use it in 3 days, but it's good for the entire week, right? And then that's it. And then, you know, a little bit, I'll come back to the air fryer in like 20 minutes, and then it's ready. I'm gonna bring it over here, or I use my cutting board right here and my big knife, and I'll cut it everything, and then I'll use my other little container that I have. It's probably here somewhere. Okay, it's right here. So we're doing this live, right? So what I do, I use this other little container for the ones that are done. So I'll put it right here. Like for example, what I'm gonna save for tomorrow that is already cooked, I put it right here, and then what is not cooked is right here, seasoned, ready to cook, right? So what I do with this bag, what I do now, I open up this bag right here. I would put in there, right, season, and place it back on the bag, and this bag is going to be seasoned, and then I throw in my big fridge, which is this one right here. I would throw on my other fridge right here, right, that whole bag, because that bag, I'm only going to hit that bag next week. So I use this fridge, I put that bag on this fridge seasoned, right? So in the beginning of next week, when I start to needed more meat for that whole week, right? Because this right here probably lasts me for this week, and then this will do me next week. So this is going to be froze. So next week I unfroze this and I do the same process. I season everything. I re-up my prep to cook, and then I cook some for me, and the leftovers I put it in here to be heated up for me to eat later, maybe later on the day or the following day, right? So this one is like meal that is already prepped. I just gotta put it in the microwave, and this one is meal that is prepped to cook, that I can cook and eat it fresh, right? And then sometimes what I do the barbecue. So instead of cooking in the air fryer, I cook on the charcoal. It tastes way better that way. But I don't do that all the time because it takes more time. Bring the stuff outside, go in the backyard, firing up the charcoal and all that, but it tastes way better. It's worth it to do in the charcoal. But you know, on the regular day-to-day, most of the time I just throw in the air fryer while I'm getting something else done. By the time I come back, 20 minutes went by, the meat is ready, I cut it up. What I'm gonna eat, I eat. The leftovers here, I already cut it, and then I just gotta heat it up tomorrow and eat it, or today later if I wanted to eat a little bit more. And that's how you do it, guys. That's simple. Meat, salt, and water, nothing else. Got my water right here. Meat, salt, and water. Very hot, cold water, very delicious. Alkaline water too, and cheap. 39 cents a gallon. Get it at the Whole Foods, fresh pure waters. Yeah, guys, that's how we do it. Carnivore diet, very simple. You know, I'm gonna go to Restaurant Depot. I'm gonna get my big box of eggs, and then sometimes what I do, I use something like this too, like this one or another one similar to this, the same size, and I cook some eggs too. Like let's say I'm gonna do some eggs now, and tomorrow I don't feel like cooking, I just do extra eggs, put in here, and then tomorrow I heat it up my meat that is here with my eggs, and that's it, right? But most of the time I like my eggs to be fresh, so I just do it in the morning. But that's how we do it, right? See you on the next one.